Well, this is definitely a dirty shed. I went and got Cub a haircut, and now she's cold. So we're giving her one of our old dogs, Leia, who passed away recently. She was a very tiny dog, but Cub's a little bit bigger than Leia, so Cub doesn't quite fit, but into the old outfit. But it's keeping Cub warm a little bit. She enjoys the snow still. Looks a little different, not used to this look, but she's getting used to stuff. It's cold out. Not super cold. It's definitely warmer than it's been as of late, but winter's starting to come to a close, which is a good thing. We finally got a decent amount of snow on the ground. Finally. But yeah, it's gonna be gone within a couple days. But as you can see, we do have some snow, a little bit. It's all melting away. Says it's 40 degrees outside. I think it's maybe 35. But one thing we need to do before springtime is we got to do a little cleaning. We got a lot of stuff that we need to work on. So a lot of cleaning to do. Best thing to do, start moving some of this stuff out so we can start organizing it. That's gonna be rough. All right. Welcome to my dark abyss. It may be hard to believe right now, but we are literally in the middle of my shed. Lights are off and everything because, well, it's a shed. But that doesn't mean that your shed can't have lights. The door is shut, but I have lights. Not only that, I have lights on both ends of my shed. I can see perfectly fine in here now, which is great. It's great. The tip is these handy dandy little push button lights, like so, take about 3 AA batteries. I got those. I got a 2-pack at the dollar store. So $1. 2 of these things, and of course all you gotta do is buy batteries, and they work fantastically. As you can see pretty much everywhere in my shed other than up top up there, but I don't really go up there that often. The shed has turned into kind of a mishmash of randomness and who knows what else. I've got Christmas stuff here. I've got Christmas stuff here, and thing for lights there. I've got window treatment things there. More down there. I got I got water buckets for the garden covered in paint over there. I've got dresser drawers in here. This is nowhere near what I want my shed to look like. I do have some good stuff here, though. Of course, obviously, I got a, weed whacker. I've got my old fire pack. We got some snowshoes there. And we got a little garden corner and stuff like that over here going on. But there's a mishmash of paint in there. I got basketballs on the ground. I got tools up there with camping chairs down here. Everything has a spot, just nothing's in its spot. So It's about time we clean up this thing, shall we? All right, so after about a good 2 hours, I think I've got this place looking at least how I want it for now, at least for the next couple months. I do kind of have a mess down here in this corner, but once winter time's over, I won't need the snowblower anymore. I'll be needing the lawnmower, and I'll have to move some stuff around. So this is what it looks like now. Was able to clean up pretty much everything that was on top of this. Either threw it up top there, or the Christmas stuff's up there with the other Christmas stuff, camping gear and all that, and the fun stuff is up there. Moved all the garden stuff over into that area, so that's all set. Hung a few things up top there. The back wall, as you see, got more things hanging up. Get the extension cords all well organized. Threw all the tools over there. Hung up some of the tool bags. Put all the paint inside of a nice little bucket there. And just kind of overall clean the area up a little bit. So now we're actually looking like a fairly decent shed, which is good. It's going to be a little tougher when we eventually do get an RV. If we get an RV, that's still in the far future, but we'll see how things go here and there. So yeah, but this is a lot of the stuff that we do during our off season. Clean up stuff, prepare for, you know, the adventures, things like that. When you have a bunch of snow outside, makes it a little tough. So we'll be doing a lot of things around the yard, around the house in the next couple months when it warms up a little bit, especially with gardening coming up. A lot of stuff we want to do as far as gardening goes, taking care of the yard. So look for that stuff, and hopefully I'll have another video up for you guys shortly. So until then, you're stuck watching me go through a shed. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, make it go ding-a-ling, and until next time, everybody, I'm FireWilley, of course, and I will see you later.